Hello and welcome back to a brand new cyber fishing video where myself and Lewis will be fishing at Manor Farm, Becks. I will be fishing on these two swims. Lewis will be fishing around and in front of the island, and as for myself, I'll have one rod bang on in the middle, and as for the other on the opposite bank in front of bushes. And it wasn't long until the first bit of action. You in?
Yeah.
Oh, for God's sake. Did not take long at all.
I've got a football playing on the phone.
Well, your team Arsenal winning, and your angling, I think, is winning.
Yeah, bring a small carp.
Bream. Well, you don't want that, do you?
No, I'm hitting.
Bad
Actually,
bream, to be fair. Look at that, wow.
That's probably my PB bream.
You reckon? Don't know which way to go. Oh, this is a new one.
Oh.
What? There we go. Just got back a few. Oh, spooked the broom. Fellas, you caught, but
I caught a fish.
yeah. At least a food on it, I suppose. I had a take on the further out rod and recasted, and within 20 minutes we had another attempt. That was not long at all, was it? I think they might like the pink. Yeah, there's a mirror. Oh yeah, mirror. Oh, that was terrible netting, but it's in. By the first take, very aggressive. Obviously didn't get it, wherever it was, assume it was a carp. Then just chucked the rod back over there, scattered some boilies across, and 10 to 20 minutes max, this one just pinged off, and yeah, he was definitely on there. Bit of a journey, kited around, and took out Lewis's rods, but got him in the end. Obviously nothing massive, but we're not really here for that. Bang with a little mirror. Yeah, pretty good start, to be fair. Very happy. There we go, nice. As things slowed down in the evening, we were cooking up our dinner and got ready for the night, waiting for those night bites to begin. Heard all of that.
That went absolutely crazy, didn't it?
Oh, I've been getting so trolled. I just got up. It just keeps going, dude. I had something on at one point. I don't know if it was a bream or a small carp, but come on.
I did.
Honestly, like it's that close. Well, that one in the middle. It just keeps going on and on. Liners or whatever it is, just wrecking it. There you go. In the night.
What time is it? Because he's been keeping me up.
Oh,
And I hope he can see my head torch.
Honestly, like near 1. I know I haven't slept yet because I just keep hearing them, and my rod kept going. Every time I took my Crocs off, just kept going off. I was like, "You kidding me?" Just kept me up.
Well, this is taking quite a lot of line.
That's a carp. Yeah, yes, Lewis. Come on. Here we go. Took a little while, but Lewis got there in the night. 21 pounder. Quite a unique shape as well. And what was on this?
This was on a pink wafter.
Pink wafter, same as the bream. And we noticed there was a lot of particle in there, so this one was obviously on the feed. But yeah, no blanking, decent carp. Come on. I'm actually releasing the deeper margin this time.
There we go.
Nice, well in. There we go, in the night. I've got so many liners on the other rod. This one had the yellow corn on it, with a boilie from D-rig. The other one had a pink. Yeah, like I said, so many liners. Pretty sure I had like a bream or a carp on it at one point that come off. Yeah, happy it went off eventually. And not really for the size, but for the look, can't complain too much for these fish. Very easy to get in as well. I had a variety of boilies, mainly being mainline sail, alongside with a mixture of innovate baits. I'd also add mainline smart liquid, which was also sail flavour. I'd also add this to my other ground bait mix, which consisted of a mixture of different sizes and colours of pellets, along with smaller sail boilies. Both rods had D-rigs, and stick with my trustworthy yellow corn. I also tried out pink corn, which had already gotten me my first fish, with a sail boilie as well, and add in some mesh bags for the final touch. You in? I was going to say you ain't caught a bream in a while.
Yeah.
Far out of the toe, this one. Looking up a bit of a kick there. Well, got it close in and it come off. It was a great fight and the fish was close in, and Lewis's might be going up now. But it could have been like a good 20. It was definitely the biggest I've caught today with a session, and come off, yeah, not too much to say, just how it goes, especially with the barbless hooks. Just have to cast it back out and we go again. Wasn't on there for long. This time, we was taking no risk with the netting. Right, one for the pink corn now. Been a little while. Saw some fizzing right in the middle, so cast it over, spread some boilies on top of it. Didn't take too long, and this one just shot off and had quite a fight, especially in the margins. Kept trying to go play snags, but we didn't lose this one. So fish number 3, and we got him. Fish!
And after several hours of nothing, the carp had well and truly switched back on.
Whoa! Just sat down.
That's my margin spot.
You think he left it? Did all that with the other one. Yeah. Just sat down. Well, popping off now.
Whoa. Oh my god.
Jesus.
Oh my god.
Got so much energy, these fish. Got power. Oh, that does not want to come up, does it?
No. He's fuming, he's so rapid as well.
Makes a big swell.
So much power in this.
I don't think you have to be that big either.
No, it's crazy. Oh my god.
Hey, yes, no, it's back in the game. No. Well done.
It's really not deep enough here.
There we go, Lewis finally got his second carp now. Closer in, wasn't it, Lewis?
Yeah.
On pink still? Did you switch?
That was a more match the hatch colour.
Oh, nice. Regardless of the size of these fish, power, just as good as a fight. Yeah, let's keep going.
As the sun hit the next hour, I noticed plenty of fizz and had to get both my rods on them and with plenty of bait on top. And under 5 minutes later, the approach paid off.
That was a bit
2 seconds later.
just shows sometimes you've got to follow the fizz in. Got that one netted in and the other rod just went off straight away in the same area. Crazy, honestly. Can't even think. How do I net this? This one's more ready though. Two in the net. What the hell? What a crazy time that was. Just saw some fizz, so I thought throw a rod on there. So much fizz in the area, so I decided to put a second one on there. And then yeah, one went for it, got that in, and right after that, the other rod went off, right after it was in the net. Yellow and pink prawn. Yep, more than ready. Time for the other one. Jeez, whoa. Wasting no time, that one. Come on.
Probably a bream.
Does it feel breamy?
Yeah. I don't know.
Well, I had some that would just come in and as soon as they were in, they were just going crazy.
You take my stove off, please?
Yeah. Is it breamy? Jesus. Another bream. Hey.
Got a bit too many of these. Man.
Someone had to get them. Steaks for Lewis. Bream. Oh, for God's sake.
Not a bigger hook tight one.
I'm loving it, aren't they?
It's not a bit of a fight, these things.
Bloody bream. Not again.
After an action-packed day, it was that time again. With both my rods only fishing in open water now, with plenty of bait, it was only a matter of time.
Proper scream and run, that one. There we go. Should have a bit now. Have a snag off that. Jesus. $22.6, we'll call that. Oh, great fight. $22.6. I was just getting ready in bed and still got it. It's a scream and run of this one. Oh, yeah, happy. Wiped me out, but so worth it. Come on, look at it. 22-pounder. Oh, beauty. Time for bed.
I didn't get any footage, but yet again, I had success at night. And I was woken up to a pleasant surprise.
I got woken up by another scream and run. Didn't have the best of sleep, but getting up for good reason, I suppose. Don't wipe me out again. Finally. God, what a wake up that is. Right, 1 of 3, close in with pinkhorn. Yeah, aggressive take like some of the others that you'll see. Yeah, lovely coming, did the job. Ready to go. Time for the rest. There we go, another one in the commons, close in yet again. This one on the yellow corner this time because I swapped the rods. But yeah, just yeah, just simple. Scat those boilies across there and just shut off. Lovely, straight away again. There we go, another one of the ones closer in. Probably a little bit bigger this one, a bit more of a chunk. See its mouth as well. Bit of an older one. It's been through it over the years. But yeah, lovely colours on it, lovely golden as well. On the pink horn again. I remember this one being another aggressive fight. But yeah, as soon as I saw it in the net, I was like, yeah, it's a nice fish. So happy with that one. Rest now. I just took the sling off the last one and that weighed up to just over 19, so decent, close to the 20s, but still appreciate it though, don't you? We both gave it a good go in the final few hours, but unfortunately it seemed we'd hit our limit. Becks Lake definitely gave us a good session with plenty of fish, decent size weight, and of course the back-to-back takes, which is something I will never forget. This session is definitely one to remember, and most certainly one day we'll make another return. Thanks for watching, be sure to click the subscribe button, don't forget to check the socials. See you in the next video.